Welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on time zone. Welcome back, welcome back. So I just want to react on this particular video you are seeing here. This is why it's such a video. And before we go through that though, I want to just say one few things. You see, when we talk about the scammers, the lies, is not only on one person per se, but what we are witnessing now is a group of gangsters, a group of mafians coming together to achieve, one purpose, which is to deceive people, pretending they are with you, whereas they are not. But the intention is to make you believe that they are with you, but they are not with you. You see, I don't want to make this video to become, I don't want it to sound like a hate or a way of passing hatred to anybody. But no matter how you want to twist it, or you want to not twist it, no matter how you want to explain it, right? People that will misunderstand it will end up, misunderstanding what you are saying. So I just want to sound it as a warning that we are not here to cause anybody pain, but to reveal to you the agenda and the mission of this people. Let me refresh your memory, because this woman said that no matter who the person is, as long as not Simon Ekpa, the Reverend Prime Minister, or Mazda Khan, that she will sabotage. That thing should be in your memory. It should be in your mind, because there's no smoke without fire. There's no smoke without fire. Now, she's now trying to tell everybody that she cares about you, she wants to do this, she wants to do that, which is not true. It is not true, because you are going to confirm that on this video. I have seen many of us trying to say, if COS is not doing anything, you want to see action, which everybody want to see. And Ogenkere is what Ogenkere is known for. That okay, let's focus on Kukuna. Let's focus on the Kukuna and why is such. You are in for a very long journey. Very long journey. Now, she wants to make Biafrans to believe her, to think or to see her as the only hope. The question you should ask yourself, is she truly the only hope? Do you have any other means to inform Biafrans the danger at hand, or danger at heart, dangers at hand, or anything as such? Or you are trying to believe her because you don't know how to reason for yourself? Because I don't see a reason why people, a mature person who is capable of reasoning or think for his or herself, will just believe that this woman will offer you something good. I know what I'm saying now, you may not understand it. Some of you may be like, hey, what are you trying to say? Now listen to this.
Don't come back.
Just
thank you.
Thank you.
Achifo, oh my waliwe. Osiafo. Namo kachifo, kachifo.
Oh, kachifo one.
Oh,
now listen.
The pen is too much.
The pen is too much. She started by playing Ifeanyi Nabai, some of the videos that I actually shared here with us, like the woman that Fulani went went to her farm and destroyed every crops. Like that farm is that woman found this her farm. What is it called? Granite and maize, that is oka. They took their cow there and destroyed everything. We have that video here. We shared it. Okay, not here, on our second platform, please. That's why I say you guys should subscribe there, because yesterday I uploaded that video there. That video has been uploaded there. If you follow us on our second platform, this video is part of the video that she's sharing. After sharing, they are trying to buy your emotion and your feelings. It's not as if this woman actually, let's assume that this woman they're talking about, they want people to contribute money for them. It's not as if if that money is being contributed to them, that they're going to use it for the purpose of the reason, purpose of the contribution. Reason why you made the contribution in the first place. They are not going to use it because first thing you need to ask yourself: if you contribute this money to you now, who are you going to give the money? Because last time I checked, they don't have any soldier. Biafra United don't have any army. Who are you going to give it to? Give the money? Who? People don't ask this question because Ogenkere is the one that some of the commanders brag that they're working for them. I have not seen any other person. Please, if you have seen, please you can correct me on the conversation because I'm just telling you what I've seen so far. I did not see any time or any video of Biafra United or Imam Madabo fronting their own army. They are not from their own army. I don't see any. If you have seen, please let us know. We'd like to see the same thing like that you have seen. But there's nothing like their own army. So this money that they're asking to contribute, who are they going to give it to use that money to defend or do something? Now listen.
Depend on Kalila, all day says, Mananso Wadro. So Wadro, I catch good, yeah. I hear 1 million.
Igbo.
And Bedama.
Uhuruchioma.
Bedama is one there
Ịgbana Alike Wala Goji.
is an
Okike ga na-enye gị ike n'elu ike. Ọ ga-eji arụ ike na-akwụ gị ụgwọ ọrụ na alụrụ ụmụ Igbo.
any dream here is an
Okay, the thing is that let me just say this before we go further. This I have noticed that all this our people calling her, those are honestly, I don't mean to insult them, but that's just a fact. Okay, these are people that are, they are not that they. I don't want you to feel bad. I know, but honestly, these people that are calling her, those men that are somehow in abroad calling this woman are not educated. What I mean by educated, I'm not saying that they are not professors, they are not doctorate degree holders. Those ones did not even go primary school, let alone secondary. May I present in university. That is not the fact. Some people that are somehow sound, maybe educated, or even they're not educated, that they associate themselves with educated people that when the what is it called? No. Those ones have actually exit that group. They are no longer with them in their no. But you see all these men calling her. The truth is that why they are still calling her because they reason like her, they think like her. Okay, they are not capable of thinking, reason for themselves. And like I said, I don't mean to insult you if you are watching, but the only thing I want you to understand is that in life, you must not try to do everything by yourself. Sometimes you allow people to advise you, especially when you know that you don't know. This woman who is not educated, who is not able to reason that anything positive in her mind, all she does is negativity. That's what she filled her mind with. She's the one leading you, telling you what to do. She's here trying to persuade you to donate money, right? Donate money for who? She actually told you to donate for Ogekere a few weeks ago. What has changed? Has it? Some of you donated to Ogekere because of her. Some of you fall back because of her when she has not actually fall back. Don't you think somebody in her level is playing with your intelligence? That's a man. Simple question. This money we are talking about, if that money is being contributed now to Joy Irobi and Imam Madabo and I don't know, then powered by Bamba Dabo and you, what are you going to use the money for? Who are you going to give that money? You will hear her talking about no on a village to village now you protect whoever. The same woman that said that self-defense is a taboo on social media is not telling you to contribute money for what? If they have something, let's assume that if you contribute money and give to them, they will give you to Biafra Liberation Army. That I don't think they have access to. Neither do they have anyone working under them. I wouldn't have mind or say anything. As long as they're giving it to people that actually volunteer themselves to liberate. You have not recruited anybody. Like USB have their own. They have people working, in USB. Which this woman, out of her evil mind, came out and began to call them terrorists. That they are working with, that these are bag, which is not true. Lies from pit of hell. So how can you believe such person? Just by
nwere na-akpọ ụmụ Igbo sị o nwere otu onu na-eti mkpu n'ọzara na-asị meenụ ụzọ nke Igbo ka ọ kwụrụ ọtọ meenụ mbara ala Igbo ka ọ dị ọcha onu ahụ atiwakwana ka o si eti ụmụnne m unity ya anụnwa anyị bidogoro biko nụ let us embrace unity.
Yes.
Anyị na-anakwa na-ana ụmụnne m biko nụ let us embrace unity. We can do it.
Yes.
If we unite together.
Yes.
It sounds good. And you can hear this woman's voice. Yes, 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 yes. Really. Few hours before she jumped online, she jumped out to do this video that we are talking about, this one that I just shared with you now. She was here on social media saying this. Just pay attention.
It should be like your ID card when you're going to work or when you're going to open your store. The key you use to open your store, that is what the survival whistle. You can never forget it once you're stepping out of your house.
What you are hearing there is this woman trying her best to talk down on CS. You can hear the sound of whistle, in the background. That whistle, it could be, I believe that they added that as an effect after much editing. So that is a way of mocking USB government, mocking CS for saying that survival whistle. That this whistle is to create, which is part of self-defense. That this woman is not supporting after criticizing it in the past. You that are watching her, you hear those things, you follow everything, then you are still believing and some of our men. Even if you are not educated, must you be that stupid? That somebody whom you can count on many things she has said in the past that doesn't add up to her recent activities. A few weeks ago, she told you that PM called her, she fell back. Now, in her recent video, she's saying that she have never for once been with Ogenkere, and she can never be with Ogenkere. After going to Ogenkere and sang a song of love for asking for mercy, apologizing to everybody. Now she's back again, telling you that those things that she did is just a drama. Flip-flopping. You can't use that. You can't trust anybody. We are going to analyze this one on our live broadcast. I just want you to see what she did few hours before she did this video that we are talking about, which is this one, this very one now. So this is the one we are now trying to analyze, ending part of it, where she started begging for money and calling Biafra and trying to persuade people to come out and donate money for them. But I'm here to tell you that money that they want to donate, who are they going to use it for? Because when Biafran recruited, Biafrans for protecting our land, this woman and her disunite, Sia, and rest of them. Now Eggman has joined. They decided to discredit that fact, but they are here telling you how that now see mobilizing them, to go to village to protect your border. Going back to what she had said before, when she was there in the cabinet when that suggestion was made, and they voted for self-defense. But for her voice to be loud and to show that, look, serious, I don't care about you, I'm here to stay. That kind of mindset and that kind of person can never ever be trusted to donate, for you to donate money to someone that he or she supports. I've made it clear here that anybody, any group that you find this woman, with, run for your life, because she don't represent anything good. So those men calling her, like I told you, are just like a group that she is bragging about publicly. A guys will keep going out. This is people telling the COS is but ordinary WhatsApp group of Nokesuno. She is using the autocratic, system to manage a group in WhatsApp, not even a government, not even a licensed or organized group. This is just WhatsApp group, people that felt that kind of sorry, and they're under something like that, which to me, I don't see it as something, it to me is immaterial. I don't believe in that. I don't trust anything there. Any of them that say no are just like her. Unreasonable people. Now listen.
N'ofu ukwu azịza enweghị ike ịgbajie, mana azịza gaa n'ofu na ọ dị izi na mgbaji. Let us unite like a bunch of broom.
We are requesting for unity in the platform of a woman who is known for disunity. Are you commenting from another planet, or you are still here with us on the surface of Earth? Because the woman you are telling unity, her job is to disunite. That's why she kept quite looking at you. Just now, not doing this, because now, you are not. Your brain is not with you.
I don't know waziza. Bikono. Ihe anwa bata obi egwara anyị na eje Finland nata. Na o nwere ihe anyị ga-eme something activate. Ka anyị jiri tata na ede atị na activate. Ka anyị zọtaba anyị ewekọla ihe ọzọ. Ọka ịzọta ute ịzọta ha na amanụ m na iji ata ute n'elu. Iji achị ya n'aka wee lahụwa. Na-azọta anyị ewezọ ute. Bikono. Otu onu a na-eti mkpu etiwekwa n'ọzọ. Let us listen to her.
You see how this working now. This is his own way of praising. Why? No to una to go. So Ono Hani no told this why you have not picked anything from that, and we are here trying to come to do what? To do what actually?
And I'm na ntena anu ihe adịghị ha ka okwu ata. Onye ọwụna onye Igbo ndị afụrụ ozi atata ga-afụ ozi echi. Onye kwuo okwu ka ibe mmadụ n'one na one ka eji ka ewepụta na program tata. Ofu okwu ka a na-ekwu, ofu ndụ ka a na-arụ aka. Let us come together and save our land. It is in our hand. Onwere onye eziga emere anya anyị gba nkịtị. Ndo uche ajụrụ ajụ anala anyị be anyị. Ụmụnne.
Does it mean that this man did not watch this woman video at all, or he just decided to be commit nuisance? Does it mean that he don't? I don't understand. A woman that have said this.
Yeah. Because the Nigerian police and army, they will arrest you, they will kill you
to stop you. In a boom wajan.
This is how to bring
you. And if you in that place where you walk again, if not, even you nature and then you see back to you or your children. Oh, the Jesus is you go can no get everybody no ha. Oh no, so kwanya
It is time. And we must work with the time.
Are you getting the point? This man, because call Rishi Babo, come inside the mental.
The one I be near. And
Just wait.
2 days of the hand. A man in the and for Rosie attack.
education is on here.
Just a moment. That's the part that I want to make sure that they appear in this video. So just bear with me.
Okay, on that go. Bauma Jani. Ekene mono. Ona anugo kunye niile si adaketa.
Oh my
Ya
God.
ona awazikwe onye ona n'etizi. Owozi sonso ada. Owozi sonso na onye ona bia together. Owozi na aso onye ona group na community ye. No sonso community by community ka yesi we merinda.
In Ania. No, source like by community, I get you that. That is self-defense that you kicked against. And the worst part is that this woman, our people that are those those men and women, those uneducated people that gathered. I don't know who gave them Android phone, because you cannot be so stupid and you are on internet dishing out and promoting evil. The name that you are, I don't know. I'm common to even to put top up on your phone. You look for someone to do that. To restart your phone, you can't. But each time that you have access to call the why you such as an ago. Yo, Ada Chineke Gaze, get them Chineke, God bless. I just flashed video of her previous video before this, because this one that I'm playing now is her latest video. Her latest video, as of the time I record this video, this is her latest. But the video before this one is all about insult and raining it in every negative, all manner of insult against serious. Yet, you watch that as her follower. You now call her on the next video and start talking about unity. Can do call the back or that way? Okay, I gave the Friday night. Can I Mama Dal? Or I gave Joy Roby? Or Van, the Eggman? Or Sia? Who are you going to give the money? Now we are going back to the issue of community by community. I get you protected by. Oh, now you know. Now you know. Have you apologized for kicking against it in the past? Oh, mother can go. Listen.
Obodo na border o mana community protected the border. Jenny mo fi obodo na obodo join the obodo community na community ona ka yesi mi ya we fe. No na ibinye. Mana ona ka esi ka e gba nkete.
Can you remember this woman a door? Who opened door for this woman? Honestly, who opened door for this woman? This you are not supposed to talk anything about freedom. You see, this is the same thing that you criticize in USB. Just like you said, that if you see us or USB, if they dare you to do fundraising on X, which is Twitter, that you are going to destroy everything, you tear everything apart. The audio is here if you don't have time. But I have played it before. But if anybody doubts, please, I'm going to play it. Just remind me of our live broadcast. I will bring it on so you can hear that. That she will do this, she will do that. Today, you are now telling your followers, no, you're not by community. Your previous video, you were mocking Survivor Wilson. So, how do you think that villagers will now put a call to another villagers that there's a threat in their community so they can prepare? Whistle can do that in a village. Whistle can. And if you're hoping on a mobile phone, since you know that the invaders are working with the state government or federal government, the government of the day, are helping them because they're the one paving way for them to invade home, which is why PM said to get them stop the enablers. That is why PM is pointing finger at Nigerian security forces, the army, because each time they kidnap person, you hear that 5 few posts away from army checkpoint, the dent of the kidnappers are behind them. You know, that kind of thing. Not one, not two, not three. That has been the story of the story of the day. Everyone that is a victim of kidnappers have said nothing to say. That after we drove past army checkpoint, few posts away, our car was stopped and we were kidnapped. Which CS also, repeat the same thing. You and Sia and indeed Itim Pataki begin up on phone. Oh, she said that you should not touch Fulani people. If the grammar is a problem, ask your neighbor to interpret it for you. But I can't help you on this one, honestly. I can't help anybody on this. Just pay attention. Listen.
I smile again. Order akwana too late. Order akwana no too late. Order akwana no too late. Umunnem asinke chim gozele mono. Ola doledo kanne nyono umajani. Wesno bidi wechekwala mono no tutu neye na nabani. Mkpọmkpọ dị chiela ụnụ ụzọ ya kpọọ onye ile ụnụ akpọ n'ụnụ ụmụnne m ife ọhụrụ onye dochiri ụnụ ezi onye ahụ ji isi wee buru ya ejikwa ezọrọ ya. Hello? Mgbede ọma. Ọdụ mma biko na ụnụ fụm ebe m na-ekwuzi okwu mmechi ụnụ ahapụ m ka mmechie biko nso ụnụ fụm ebe m na-ekwu okwu mmechi ụnụ ahapụwazi ịkpọ na fon bikos o tere m na-eche ka akpọọ fon mkpu ezi onwe onye kpọrọ mkpu eziokwu mmechi ụnụ akpọwa biko ka o nyere m aka ngwa na-aga n'ilu. Ọ na-adakwa n'ike.
Ihe na-adị emebu mgbe anyị na Simon nọ o wee dịbịa too much now. Amakwa m ebe m na-ebido na ndị
na ndị solo gate na ndị na-protect mandate. Ọ na-afụgo alụ anụ. Even I can protect you ọfụma.
This is a woman that someone just called and telling her, peace. As if that thing that man was saying is penetrating. But being for the fact that the man himself is not pure, he cannot pay attention to those things. Do you understand? No, in this solo gate. Now listen. I don't have much time to be honest with you.
Oh no, Nigeria, no, but na atọfụta nna m nne m kwuo finalize ka nje dị enyi ya si na kpuo biko.
Iwe na-ekwudebe bụ ka otu unu njikọwagidere onwe na ọnụ ya na-atọgodu m oche iche. Ọ na-atọ m ụtọ maka na onwe ihe dịka ukwu anyị ji ekekọtara ọnụ. Ịfụrụ kịta ọ metụtawago ndị gọvanọs ọkwa Peter
kpọọ mmadụ nyere gị aka doneti elego
otu ekwugo kịta anụnwa ndị ọbụla pụta maka iche obodo fa asọpọtụ ya na
onye m biko na mma hapụ ụnụ eji m ana m ayọ ụnụ Saturday onowu na onye ejiri ya bịa doneti ndị ama dị meaning ndị ama ife ya emenụ ndị anyị maka oyi esi wee dị ọnya kafa ji eme everything iji wee blọk ịbịa doneti ọwụ n'unu ga-efe ntị
onye ka na-agwacha okwu unity you see
awa ya agba nkịtị ya abịa ha doneti o jikwa onye na ji onwe ya na anya everybody is crying so ife nyere njọ mgbe mmadụ si that na ndị Biafran Liberation Army abata ha n'Ọkigwe ndị Fulani gbaa ọsọ. You see, ha abata ha n'Ọkigwe ndị Fulani nọ n'Ọkigwe gbaa ọsọ. Ọwụ na dịsị na-agwa ha unu okwu eme ka mmụọ unu kpanyie ya mee ka mmụọ unu kpanyie. Gosi the only people nwere ike save our land ụmụaka ahụ. Because ọwụ that na eme kịta ọ dị mma. Ọwụ na support ụmụazị bido na onye ọ na afụ the impact. Ihe afụ our boys men onye ọ na eje join. Ka emezie with ndị ahụ iron to iron. Ka ekwete na ọ na-eme. Because na father intelligent. Biafrans are intelligent, especially ụmụajali. Ụmụnne m ana m asụ n'chi m gọziela m ọnụ. Ka chifon because Saturday, even you kwesịghị ichelu of Saturday, ọnwụ na ị chọrọ donate before Saturday, go and donate. With the same destiny, way for change, and the seat is very secured. Atọ n'ụjọ na enwere ike ime nke akaụntụ ya carry credit. No, all the very, very secured. Ịbanye that place, you donate any amount ọnwụ na ijene. Ekwekwana ka olu isi na ha ope ka ha kiye si donate. Ụmụnne m na anya onye ọwụna na-ebezi. Mkpu onye ọwụna na-eti. Unu afụgo that na okwu esighị ike. Let everybody come out on Saturday. Onu ọwụna ọsọkwa na gị jide. And
so this, you can hear that, right? You can hear that. Promoting something that you cannot even explain, because it's not as if you, like I said, you have access to Biafran Liberation Army, that you are going to give them the money or something. That, if you make sense, that one would be okay. But you don't have anybody, because okay that you are criticizing is working with the one they said that they're working with, or okay said he's working with them. USB Biafran government have their own. Then who do you have? But some you guys are very, very funny. And like I said, I'm not gonna force anybody. The choice is yours.
More actually donate because
Because of you.
So I changed my mind.
This is the type of men that we are talking about. They cannot even reason properly. Anyway, let me just encourage you to like the video before you go. In case you have not liked the video, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much and God bless you. See you again. Bye-bye for now. Tell me what you think about it on comment section, because I would like you to tell us what you think. The comment section is open. Let's hear from you. Take care. Bye-bye.